Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khairinisa. In here, I would like to present my research thesis about student and teacher perception of Maker method in English online learning. First, about Chapter 1 Introduction. In my background, there are 3 points that I highlight. First, the pandemic COVID-19 impact many factors, not only in health, economic, but also in education system that changed from face-to-face into virtual learning. Expected online learning can facilitate learning process, but in fact, there are many students that still feel bored and didn't understand the material in online learning. So that's why teacher or educator should consider the strategy or learning method that they use in online learning. In here, Tanoto Foundation in Pintar program has created active learning that called Maker method. And also, based on the observation during PLP, researchers found that this Maker method has been applied in online learning, in English online learning at SMP Ahmad Dahlan, Kota Jambi. So that's why researchers interested to conduct the research with the question, what are student and teacher perception of the implementation Maker method in English online learning at SMP Ahmad Dahlan, Kota Jambi? And the purpose of this research to investigate and describe teacher and student perception. For the limitation the research, this study only focus on the implementation Maker method, and also the respondent only for 8th grade student and an English teacher. Next, about significance of the study. In here only for the teacher, student, and researcher. And then for the definition of key terms, only focus on Maker method, online learning, and perception. Next, move to chapter 2 about review of literature. In here, only focus on 3 points. The first about Maker method. Based on Elfrianto, Leni, and Yantoro in 2020, Maker itself is a method that created by Tanoto Foundation in Pintar program that reflected in the 2013 curriculum by active learning. And then for the perception from OUKI 2017, perception itself is the natural ability for understand, notice, think about something by using human sense. And the last about online learning. From Sujarwo, online learning or online class is educational that takes place over the net for distant learning, or we know as e-learning or distant learning. Next, about research methodology. For the research design in here, researchers use mixed method with an explanatory sequential mixed method design from Craswell and Plano Cloud. And from the description or the definition will be explained on the picture. The next about population and sample. In here, researchers use the population of 8th grade students of SMP Ahmad Dahlan, which consists of 5 classes. They are class A, B, C, D, and E. For the sampling in here, researchers use purposive sampling with the criteria only focus on class D and E because this class has familiar with Maker method, and only class D and E use Maker method for English online learning. So that's why in here researcher took class D and E in academic year 2021 to 2022 as the sample of the research. Next, about instrument and data analysis. In here, researcher used 2 instruments. The first, questionnaire, and the second is interview. Questionnaire only for students for class D and E, which consists of 20 item question with the indicators that show in the table. And then for the interview, in here, interview only for student and English teacher, because in this school, only one English teacher that use this method. So for the question, will be based on the questionnaire. For analysis the data, questionnaire will be analyzed by using SPSS, and then for interview, the interview will be recorded and then will be transcribed. Next, about validity and reliability. In here, researcher has tested the questionnaire by using class C and D in academic year 2020 to 2022. And this class still have the same criteria with the proposed sampling that I have explained before, with the participant 31 students. So for validity, in here using SPSS or be very person, and then for reliability using Cambridge Alpha, adapted from William 2003. And in here, researcher found that for validity, all of the item question is valid, and the data can be looked at my thesis document. For the Airtable 0.35, and for reliability, the researcher get the score 0.9, which in that the questionnaire is excellent. Next, about chapter 4, finding and discussion. In here, for interpretation, the qualitative data, it's adapted from Hadianto 2020 and with the explanation on the table. Next, about student and teacher perception of experience. So in here, there are two tables about the result of quantitative data. The first is about frequencies the students answer, and the second is the interpretation data of experience. So in here, there are 5 item questions with the higher score. For the item, I tried to search material for another reference with the point 3.98. Qualitative data from the interview get the result that for the student state that other learning research are very much need to help student understanding, and then experience activity made the learning process more challenging and interesting. And then for the teacher, the implementation of uh, activities experience like asking question and conducting discussion. And then group work can facilitate student communication. About student and teacher perception of interaction. Here, the researcher got 2 highest interpretation for 2 item question, and then medium interpretation for 3 item question. For the qualitative data from student, they said that discussion and group work can solve the problem. Discussion and group work were not always signified, and then interaction activities were quite enough to make students active. And then students tend to be silent during discussion. Students rarely participate in discussion because unconfident, not interested, and being afraid of incorrect answer. And for the teacher, asking questions and conducting discussion can encourage student enthusiasm in learning process. And also, group work can facilitate student communication. Next, about student and teacher perception of communication. In here, for qualitative data, the researcher get the result that 1 item question for highest interpretation, and then 2 item question in medium interpretation, and then 1 item question in the lowest interpretation. Then for qualitative data from the interview, get the result that for the student, group work helps student understanding and get good result, like unconfidence, giving incorrect answer, and repeating explanation make the learning process less interesting. And then also like peer relationship, like students and pressure and relaxed room. And then group work can reduce students' anxiety, and then discussion create a closer relationship between students. And then for the teacher, communication activities are effective enough to be implemented in online learning. And communication activities can create student interest. Next, about student and teacher perception of reflection. In here, the majority of students, for the interpretation is very high. So only 1 item with very high interpretation for the statement, I learned from my mistake in learning process, with the score 4.22. Next, about qualitative data for reflection. Student and teacher also state that reflection can also help to measure student understanding and also to knowing the learning achievement. For quantitative data result, in here, overall, from the Meeker method, students get high interpretation with the score 3.58. Next to the discussion, in here, for definition of Meeker method, Meeker itself is a learning strategy to maintain active learning by kind activities like experience, interaction, communication, and reflection. And it is also supported by Sari in 2019, Widodo 2019, and also from Suhadi in 2020 that they have the same definition with Meeker method. Next, about student and teacher perception of interaction. In here, the researcher get the conclusion that the interaction activities establish communication in online learning. It is also supported by Alpusari, Mulyani, and Hermita and LP in 2020 that they have same definition. The second about group discussion can solve the problem. It's the same like B, and then Matterson in 2003 that group work stimulate creativity in regard to problem solving. And the next, group work also makes students participate and be active in discussion. And it's supported by Nguyen 2015. Same as before, it's about interaction. Time management affects the effectiveness of discussion that's supported by BB and Matterson in 2003. And the last, unconfidence, close relationship between friends, being afraid to give incorrect answer, and being lazy become the factors that affect the expressing idea. It is also support from Burke in his research that discussion sometimes some groups lacks motivation, strong leadership, or have personality conflict. But it is also contrast from the research from Yantoro in 2020. And the next about student and teacher perception of communication. In here, there are 3 points that researcher got. The first about group work helps in understanding the material to get result. It is supported by Ruinisi and Roscosa 2016. And the next about discussion was able to overcome student anxiety and better relationship. That has the similar research with BB and Masters in 2003. And the last about confidence and being afraid to give incorrect answer are the reasons students less interested in participating in discussion, and also supported the research by Yantoro 2020. And the next about student and teacher perception of reflection. In here, giving question and appointing student randomly is an activity that teacher use in implementing the concept of reflection. It is also supported and has the same similar definition with Asroyer and Lovins in 2019. And the last, reflection was important to measure student understanding of the material and also useful for knowing learning achievement. And also it's supported by Yantoro in 2020. Next, about chapter or the last chapter about conclusion. So in here, researcher can conclude for all the finding that Meeker method is a learning strategy to maintain active learning with activities like experience, interaction, communication, and reflection. And also, additional reference, a self-experience is effective to support student understanding. And like discussion, group work, be able to resolve the problem, create student interaction and active learning. And confidence, student relationship, being afraid of giving incorrect answer, and being lazy are the student problems in expressing the idea. And the advantages of working group are help the student to understand the material, overcoming student anxiety, and creating better student relationship. And also, reflection activity help the measure student understanding and also as information for knowing learning achievement, developing and improving learning strategies. And the last for suggestion for the teacher or educator, in here, Maker as a teaching method can be applied in creating active online learning class. But the teacher or educator must to consider uh, for the implementing interaction and communication activity, especially for discussion and group work. And also for the future researcher, for the implementation of Maker method, deep information is need to know the factors that affect the implementation of each Maker method, like especially in interaction and communication. Also, the factors and problem that student and teacher face in implementing the Maker method in online learning can be referenced to conduct the other research. And the last explanation is the closing for my presentation. Thank you. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.